That whale was intent on keeping me away and hiding me, and I didn't know why. He came right for me. He didn't stop. He kept pushing me, and I was like, whoa, wow, you know. Putting his eye next to my eye, I was like, what is going on here? He didn't want to hurt me. He had me on his head and he rolled over and I was on his chin and then I was down his pectoral fin and he wouldn't leave me alone. He wouldn't stop. I was really scared. I mean, why, who wouldn't be scared? Rolling around and rolling down the backs of a whale. I kept thinking, get me out of here. Then he lifts me up on his pec fin, literally out of the water, and I'm yelling to everybody on my boat, somebody come help me. I was there for 10.5 minutes, and then I saw the shark. There's a great big tiger shark up there.
Yeah?
Yeah. I went, oh my God. He was protecting me. The whale got me to the boat. He's making sure that I'm okay.
Man.
Yeah,
the whale.
it's pretty bad.
I got to the back of the boat and I was laughing. I was just laughing. But it was sort of a nervous laugh, like I lived through this. Why did this happen to me? This is crazy, and I've been doing this for 28 years. They call me the whale witch. I've had a lot of close encounters and great encounters. I've had them, you know, come up and go, have their pectoral fin come up over my head. There are a lot of accounts of humpbacks hiding seals underneath of their pectoral fins from killer whales. Just never heard of them doing it for humans. These animals have this altruistic behavior. They will risk their lives to save another species, like a fireman would run into a house on fire. I can't say for sure what was going on in his head, but he protected me from potential danger. This was once in a lifetime experience. I love you too, I do.